So here are 10 best sites and apps to sell your clothes online. When it's time to clear out the closet and push the refresh button on your style, don't overlook the option of selling used clothes, especially used designer clothing online. It's easier than ever to send your old clothes, shoes, accessories to online consignment store or resales with sites like ThredUp, Poshmark, or Tradesy. I'll have these sites in the description and make some money on gently used item cluttering your closet. Consigning and reselling are great ways to earn extra income on the side or pay for that next shopping spree before you start clearing out your closet. Check out how and where to sell used clothes online to get the most bang for your buck. Where to sell your used clothes online. Resale shopping is on the rise, and there's currently 25,000 resales, consignment, and not-for-profit resale shop in the US, according to the Association of Resales Professionals. People who know how to sell used clothes also know how to make money online without getting a desk job. Augmented marketplaces that include sites like ThredUp and the RealReal are replacing traditional online marketplace platform by taking on the logistic, photography, the customer service for sellers of used designer clothing. It's becoming an increasingly competitive market for online resellers, and sites like Poshmark take center stage. Today, you can shop online consignment stores and find great deals, or sell clothes online as a side hustle or earn some extra cash. You could also save money by repurposing and refashioning those thrift store finds, transforming basic pieces into something new and trendy. It might be worth checking to see if some of those gently used clothes that no longer fit you, that you know you're not going to wear, are worth selling via online platform. To get started, consider the following option, which are among the best websites and apps where you can sell your clothes online. Of course, you will be able to find these at the link in the description. Number 1, Poshmark. Appeal to fashion lover with new pre-owned vintage clothes they're ready to part with. Upload photos of your item using the free app. Write a brief description and set a price. You can attend virtual post party to sell items to friends and people you invite. And when the item sells, you'll be able to send them through shipping label or drop them at a USPS drop box. The company charges different fees depending on the amount of sale. For sales under $15, you'll be charged a flat fees of $2.95. For sales of 15 or more, the fees is 20% of the listing price. Poshmark take care of all the financial transaction fees and provide a prepaid shipping label, so there's no other cost involved to make the sale. Number 2, ThredUp. When you're ready to declutter your closet, you can order a clean out kit from ThredUp. The bags include kits work as your shipping bag that can be filled with everything from women to kids apparel and shoes, accessories that are in great condition. But the thing is, the store will not accept items that have stain, hole, peeling, or signs of wear out. Number 3, Tradesy. As long as your used designer clothes and other designer items are still in good condition, Tradesy will help you sell virtually anything in your closet with a few screen swipes. You get free shipping kit once your item sold. The company deducts $7.50 commission fees for items under $50 and 19.8% commission for items over $50. Once you get paid, you have the option to purchase something new on Tradesy and transfer those funds directly back to your PayPal account or checking account or debit card for a 2.9 save transfer fee. Number 4, the RealReal. Browse the RealReal designer directory to see what type of item the store will accept. Individual with 10 or more items from luxury brand suitable for a consignment can make use of the RealReal white glove service or a at-home pickup. With less than 10 items, you get a prepaid FedEx shipping label to ship all your items in. Full service consignment with a free in-home pickup is available in many areas with a white glove service, or you can get a in-person valuation at the store. Your item will be listed if they are authentic, and you receive a payment once they sell. You can earn up to 70% of the sales price from your designer clothing, 80 to 85 on higher value watches, purchase, and men sneakers. Number 5, Lipricks. Lipricks is an aggregator of designer boutique that carry high-end pieces and trendy styles, giving you the access to larger inventory of available items. It only accepts the designer brand listed on the website, so make sure you check out the website. I might have butchered the name, but everything is in the description. Lipricks offer a slightly different approach. You must consign with one of the consignment boutique partner, where you make an appointment and the item get listed on the site and and place it in the store. If you decide to co-sign online, you can request a free white glove consignment service via the luxury garage sales. The company's schedule at-home pickup in many major cities and drop-off options at partner boutiques. Alternatively, Lipricks will send a prepaid shipping label so you can send in your items. Number 6, Depop. For those who prefer using the mobile device instead of desktop computer, this app provides all the benefit of online consignment stores, selling and buying from your smartphone or tablet. You can download the app and list items you want to sell in person or by shipping them to the buyer. Seller can sell anything from pre-loved clothing to vintage goods and name their own price. Number 7, Swap.com. Swap.com claims to be the largest online consignment and thrift store for everything from women clothes to kids items. This company gives you a price it will pay for accepted items you send via inbound box. You can request this box and get a prepaid shipping label to send in your item for reviews. Swap.com will list everything for you. Items that sell for $8 or less, you receive 15% of the commissions. Items sell more than $8, you receive a 70% of the sales price. Less than $4.95 processing charge as commissions. Then when the item sells, you can take cash payout or get store credit. Number 8, Flip. San Francisco-based Flip's mission is powering reseller revolutions. The concept was meant for your closet, but the flip market is definitely clean, simple, and empowered to use. The process is easy. Take a single photo of your item that you like to sell for a professional seller to view and bid on working with you. Review the proposal and choose a seller to handle the sales. From photographing to marketing to selling it and getting you paid. Depending on the pro you choose, you make anywhere between 40 to 60% of the sales price. The only drawback to Flip is the brand the brand it's willing to accept. Many of the small stores such as Banana Republic, 9 West, and Chico don't make the cut. Check the complete list of all the labels that are accepted. Number 9, Vestiaire Collective. If you have a collection of designer duds that you're ready to part with but want to make sure they're appreciated by other fashionistas, Vestiaire Collective should be on your short list. Vestiaire Collective started in France in 2009 and has 7 million high fashion lovers over 50 countries that are ready to buy your pieces. All you need is to download the app, fill out the listing form, and upload the images. Once the item sells, ship it to VC for free so its expert can handle the authentication of the item and send it to the buyer. Item between $80 to $16,000 or have a selling fee of 12%, while item above the $16,000 have a fixed selling fees of $2,000. Additionally, a 3% payment processing fee will be charged for item over $80 and a $2 fee will be applied for item that's less than $80. VC is a great option when you have items that you don't wear and that typically don't lose their value and could use international exposure to sell for top dollar. Number 10, Rebag. Rebag specializes in luxury handbag, accessories, watches, and jewelry. What makes Rebag unique is Claire. Okay, so what is Claire? Claire is an artificial intelligence software that will do the appraisal for you. You can take any photos and send to the app. If you accept Claire's quote, you can send your item using a prepaid shipping label or dropping it off at any Rebag location. Check out the website. The team will authenticate the accessory and you receive payment after 3 or 4 days. Based on your choice of an ACH transfer, a check in the mail, or store credit. If you're planning on using the cash you get from the current handbag for a new one, check out Rebag's Infinity Exchange program. It's similar to renting a luxury handbag. You may return a purchased bag that's kept in good condition, of course, within 12 months and get a credit for 70% to 80% of the purchase price. So those are the 10 website and app to sell your clothes online that we have for you today. So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in situations like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.